now she done. But nobody not do it perfect.
Flame them and shame them. You see flame talk, no man, flame God up and running. Big up to the viewers them out there and also the subs them. Coming up in this video, I talk about Iwaata and Pretty. Jaja, I coulda was viewers. The 2020, it don't look good enough. I be a kasa kushu mix up. We see just a pop up so. Viewers, Iwaata and Pretty, them have the place locked down. Everybody admire the couple and I say, Jano, them look good together, you know. Look how them look beautiful. But guess what go on? Iwaata crash the relationship. Me all see Pretty mother step in and I make Iwaata know what time it is. Knock. Let in Pretty mother make she talk her mind. Viewers, ma tell you don't want to miss this topic. So if you is a new viewer, sit with us to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, leave a like on this video, leave your thoughts in the comment section. Round here, you know the procedure in our flame.
Know this little youth we used to grow in a me scheme. Never have nobody say him have to chase the dream. Him say by any means I renew you him get the cream. Catch up in a teen I just be a magazine. People have to run up and down when you know same. And anything you want think of it.
So viewers, I want to watch the flame. The artist here goes by the name of Jashian. I want to get familiar with him. The artist released a brand new music video for him single entitled Badness No Pay. Yo, I love the message in the one here, Jashian. I swear to Jaja. Viewers, when we look around, what we see some little youth, just grew up come turn bad man and a kill and go on like say, yo, them not have no sense, aya. So when we see the youths them take the road there, we really appreciate the youth them up and make them know say, hombre, you see the road the way you take, don't bother glorify it, because you go dead quick. Police are gonna come for you. Either them shoot you up or catch you and not shoot you up and put you in a jail and send you to prison. You see me? And prison life, them life, they are not a life we glorify. This one bag of man, brother, me not depend on something there.
Ever serious, him never laugh him and no meme. So anything him tell you same one, you better game. Upgrade the badness now a be a butterfly. Contract killer getting paid, but a guy if me never see it for myself, me woulda said a lie. Drop out of school, but the great
viewers, me nah go around the thing. Me love how Jashian put them words here together. The man a make you know say, hombre, him always serious, The man here no smile, him a no meme. Jaja the line them. Viewers, Jashian a talk up the things them. The man a make you know straight up say, hombre, nah no time, for a smile, The man here a screwdriver it work with because him ever a screw. Viewers, the man a make you know straight up, anything the killer say him want, you know have to give it to him,
No, the killer the bad.
Yo, viewers, me nah go around the thing. The song here, me give it 100 out of 100. Me love the message. The message connect and it powerful.
Out of school, but the grades make him high. And anytime he make a step, smaddy have to die. Ask him why. Only a mother when him left a cry. Innocent caterpillar, bigger no a butterfly. Wanted by the cops, but him say him rather die. Stacking up the money, no one him getting hot. But
viewers, this is what I talk about, the powerful message. Now, Jashi and I make you know straight up, say, yo, you see most of these juvenile, I drop out of school, But you see the weed where them are born, the grades there, it make them feel high, I watch the flick. You see every time they make a step, yo, a next person die. So the man I say, why? Yo, a whole heap of baby mother, them man here left a cry, Viewers, it don't look good. When me say, it don't look good. The juvenile, them have to know what time it is, You see, if you no drop out of school, yo, don't bother turn to crime and violence, brother. You have a whole heap of skills out there where you can go learn a skill.
bad mind in the crew, so them no have him back. One early morning, him say, I go a shop. But in the shop, waiting a dozen cops. So badness no pay. Badness no pay.
Viewers, I wonder if you not listen to what Jashina say. The artist I make you know straight up say, Umbre, you see badness, it don't pay no. Because you see the crew where Umbre inna, you don't know what go on. Them don't got him back, you know. So him go so boom one morning and step out a shop. When him step out a shop, I be a police him a look up on Jaja. So right there, so what the artists are make you know, badness it don't pay. You take the time out and go check out the artist Jashien. Viewers, ma for make you know there's something here, you know. You see Jashien, him is a JDF soldier. Yeah, this a show you say, yo, a whole heap of talent in the JDF, you know. Them only need the platform to make the people them hear them voice. And if you feel like a one song Jashien have, you make a sad mistake. Ma play a couple of track. All me need you to do, leave your thoughts in the comment section. Let me know if you rate this talent.
True, me never born in the ghetto, means me never grow up poor. Mama wash people clothes and sweep dirt to floor. Daddy was around, but him could do little more. So me know me that for sore. Me used to wear my big brother clothes, it never easy to rise out of bed. Just put an angel over me head. Rastafari, I beg you go with me. Yeah, out the road, like things straight. And the poor camp. Some say believe kill, some say believe cure. We make it in a life that you just make sure. The real thing is that them oppress the poor. The upper class, them now go see science. All in the mind, no more my road touch floor. My be a Spanish tongue.
Always stressed, never sober. No. Thinking rich, what a order. AC turn up in a the Corolla. Tough talk, me no poser.
Now she done, but nobody not do her perfect.
So viewers, this photo with iwaata and him baby mother and him youth a circulate the internet, man. Tell you, pretty fans them decide say, yo, we have to beat iwaata for what him doing, you know. Jaja. Now viewers, from a look on the youth, you know, you can see say, recently the youth born. Some of the years some man pray me and say, seems like iwaata never tell pretty say, him have a youth out there. You see me and say, so when pretty go see the photo here on Instagram and all over the internet, me know Mama Evans get shake up right away. Me feel much more say Mama just call iwaata and make him know say it done totally. So we see iwaata go so boom and come on him Instagram live and him a talk up the things them viewers. The man a make you know straight up say, yo, pretty, she say done, you know. So what am I go do? I play the live.
Brother, nobody not perfect, yeah. Right now she done, but nobody not do her perfect. Yeah, you see them now, them me attack, you see it? Cause they send the picture of a sting called Zin. I'm my son, you see me? I love my son, you see me? And the world know me love me don't. I feel me, you know. Or if me feel like session of feel me, I feel me, I don't know that though. Yeah, but uno know, uno you know like. And them, you know. You see me? Hey. Uno and them, you know, uno me a talk to where they all over the place with no bag of fuck around and talk, you know, you see it? Yeah man. And them me a refer to, you see me? Yeah dog. Uno dey on one bag of things, brother. And the bomb buckler run one part with one bag of talking and chatting. Like say me did plan to it like it's a prank. Brother, me not live for me they will come for me there and come bomb buckler post up like a prank or one bag of fuckery. You see me? And realize something, see me? I'm not this me youth, I'm not this me beer mother, I'm not this me. And who not do it? You see me? And if you just hold out and go on cause someone had to be a fuckery, brother. You see me? And sister, I be a fuck, we not do anything, brother. We not hide and do nothing, you know? Yeah, I know it's a shirt and thing, but you know, suck on the mother too, you know? And cause I'm going like you perfect. You see me? And say me a wicked. A whole heap of wickedness you know do, you know? As some yeah? A married man for 30 odd years. One Sarah suck out around this, sir. Science and hope that, yeah? You bring them girl up on a cream soda. Yeah, see me a drink. I think I wanna feel like, eh? When I talk about wicked, I next one that. I talk about me never love me. Yeah? Even if you give me, when you see me, you not see me, gram weed me a smoke. But a girl me a fuck, but a fee me. What I say? When feel like it's a prank thing, brother. Eh? It's not a fucking prank, brother. Yeah, me know me feel away, but here I go and say, oh no. You feel just easy like I'm not the whole heap of thing. You know dash 365 youth. Do the maths.
Oku your ass, class.
Any type of situation. Tell them
Any drink through any type of situation. I beat them bad, so who am I need them mediation?
I'll try the next part now. Because my side of the story this is. You don't know. And them and the others. Sir. 120 you them for go foreign. And then do this something when you're there and then something that ain't no match you.
Viewers, right away you can tell that iwaata hurt. Yeah, but one thing me rate iwaata for. The man decides say me nah this my baby mother, me nah this me youth, likewise me nah this pretty. I feel me. People might have run with some things out there. I said this and I said that. Them I push up some things and make it look like say me iwaata this pretty. When me nah this nobody. But me know iwaata. The fans them a go say, yo, you this pretty, you know. Once from you get a youth in the relationship. Yeah, that's this. Most girl now go take the something there. Some girl will look into it and say, alright then, just work with him because I love him. But anyhow, you see when iwaata dey on the live, you don't know who go comment. Pretty mother comment and I say, a one blood clot thing me have to say. As long as my eyes no lock, no boy can't ramp with my daughter. Jaja, da dee, da. Viewers, right there, so mama step out for your daughter and I make iwaata know what time it is. Yes, so me read between the lines and I say, mama go give iwaata a red card for the something there, you know. Yeah, once I'm in a relationship with him daughter, yeah, and in the relationship you have a youth outdoor, yo, I kick that in a red card straight. Viewers, I want to leave your thoughts in the comment section. This don't look good, brother. I tell you, pretty, she hurt. I tell you because mama delete everything on her Instagram page. Mama now have nothing to do with iwaata again. It's just a sad day for iwaata. I know them feelings there because me go through the something here already, you know. Yeah, but I don't want to talk for my story. Yeah, you know what the flame going on. Big up on yourself, all our viewers, them, you know. As what I say, if you don't subscribe now. Hit the notification bell. You know what we think around here. Fully flame come down.
I tell you TV, tell you with the matic. I tell you I body flag and me now have to tell you.